Hello friends, this is Dr. Pooja, acupuncturist. Today I'm showing you some magical acupressure point by which you can dissolve your gallbladder stone. Yes, if you have any kind of gallbladder stone and if its size is less than 8 mm, you can definitely practice these points and you will dissolve these stones from your gallbladder. Usually whenever the people have a gallbladder condition, any kind of gallbladder pain or gallbladder stone, the Western medication, the doctor suggests to remove the gallbladder because they don't have any other therapy. But in Sajok and acupressure therapy, in acupuncture, you can definitely get relief. And as I tell you the size, by this kind of size stones, you can definitely dissolve it. So in today's video, I'll tell you how you can do this therapy. I'll tell you how to locate these points, how to stimulate these points, and how you can put magnet and seeds on these points. By the regular practice, you'll get very better results. And because the gallbladder pain is very horrifying, very intensifying, and the people cannot get relief once it started. So if you press these points, instantly you will get relaxed by your pain also. Or any kind of other gallbladder situation, if you have a sluggish gallbladder situation, you have a hyperactive gallbladder or any kind of gallbladder situation, these points are very good for treating any kind of gallbladder situation and problem. So let's begin the video. So treating your gallbladder stone or gallbladder condition, so first acupressure and Sajok point is right here. At the side of your hand, you can see this triangle, I draw it at the corner of your hand towards this pinky finger. This is your liver area, and at this triangle at the middle, this is the point of your gallbladder. This is the main correspondence point of your gallbladder, so you need to give a treatment of this. So I'm just giving pressure on this point. You have to press, hold, stimulate and release. Press, hold, stimulate and release. So this is the first main correspondence point, and you need to give a good pressure on this point at least 2 and 3 times when you are giving one treatment. So after this, you have to move towards on this in your index finger at your second joint right here. See that? And in between of your second face of your index finger, just at the side, you can see I draw again a small triangle, and this at the side of this middle point, this point is called mini correspondence of your gallbladder. So you need to give a pressure on this point also. Just hold, press and release. Again hold, press and release. It just at the side of your index finger right here, and there are 2 points. One is this, and just next there is another. This is another mini correspondence point of your gallbladder. This is very good point for intensive pain of gallbladder and to dissolve the stone of the gallbladder. So keep pressing. Just press, hold and release. Press, hold and release both of these points for at least 2 to 3 times in one treatment. Next is this is your lung point. The lung point is also very important. This is at the middle and at the side of the corner. See that in your index finger at the top area, at the middle, at the side of the your index finger right here. Right here is your lung point. You need to give a pressure on this. Just a second. So this is your lung point. As I told you, you need to locate just at the middle half of your finger at the corner. So you just need to give a pressure. If you don't have this kind of machine, you can give any back of the pen. You can use it to give a pressure like this. So you need to press it for 2 and 3 times in one treatment. So like this. And after this point, you need to go in a middle finger at the side. Similarly, middle finger at the middle half of at the side right here. This is the kidney 5 point. This is also very good to terminate the pain of your gallbladder and to dissolve the stone of the gallbladder. So just keep pressing on this point. Press it, hold and release. Press it, hold and release. And the next point is at the top of your thumb, just at the edge right here. See that? At the edge, at the middle of the edge at the top, this point is called governor vessel point. So you need to press this point. This is very important if you have a unbearable pain of that, if you have a stone of gallbladder, and you need to press this point Just press, hold and release, press, hold and release. And these all over point what I told you, these are all bilateral points. They are located in both of your hands. You can found both hands, so you can press both the hands and treat both the hands. So just press this point. Afterwards, just turn your hand, and so first point at the back side of your hand is right here at your index finger, just at the side towards the thumb, at the corner right here. So this point is for your large intestine, which also helps to eliminate that stone as well as the pain of gallbladder. So you need to press it, hold and release, press it, hold and release. Press it couple of the times and hold and release. Just stimulate this point. Just stimulate. See how I move it. How I move it. So this is next. And the next and the last point is just middle of your these finger. When you put your thumb at the end, so you can find out. You can find out where the cavity ends. There is a cavity. See that this cavity ends and the bone starts. At the middle of your palm, at the back, right here, there is a point. You need to give good pressure. This is also main correspondence point of your gallbladder. Just give a pressure on this point. Pressure, stimulate and hold. Pressure, stimulate and hold and release. Pressure, stimulate, hold and release. So these are all the points which are located in both of your hands. And then you can put seeds or magnet also on these points. If you have a magnet like these kind of magnets, you can apply any kind of star magnets, normal classic magnets, just like I have these. You just need to simply apply these magnets, whatever points I told you on these, right, like this. These sticker I am applying just to show you the point. You don't need to apply these stickers. You just apply directly these magnets on these points like this, and just stimulate it, and just keep this magnet for 4 to 8 hours and do your work whatever you want to do. And if you don't have these magnets, you can apply all of the points what I told you today. Just take this kind of paper tape, apply any kind of, I am just taking the lentil seeds, or you can use the fenugreek seed, you can seed any lentil seed. Just apply on the tape. Suppose I wanted to put on this point, just remove the sticker, because as I told you, I put this sticker just to show you, so the point will visible you very nicely. So just keep this seed just straight right here and apply this tape. And if you want more tape, just to tie this thing by more tape, so that the seed will be stable right here, and just stimulate it, press it, so that this point will get pressed nicely, and the blood goes through this meridian to your body and do its work whatever it needs to do. So these are the overall acupressure points for the gallbladder treatment or any kind of gallbladder condition you have. But one thing I wanted to remind you guys, you need to practice these points regularly 3 times in a day. And if you are putting seeds or magnet, you can apply at the night time and sleep with that and remove at the morning. If you're using seed, just change the seed. If you're using magnet, just relax your finger for 2 hours and again tie the magnet on your finger, and they will remarkably take your condition out, and you remove your gallbladder stone even. And one more thing, you have to also take some of the precaution in your food, like you should not eat like so oily and spicy food once you are taking this therapy. And these are the all you need to practice. And after food, you should not practice these points. Just empty stomach, or if you are eating something after 2 hours, if you're practicing these points, they will work better rather than after eating. So I hope you like the video. If you like, just give a like, share, and if you have any question, just comment. Thanks a lot. Stay tuned, stay healthy.